Hey guys, it's a short video on how to install a bamboo refill onto a reusable spool. You should have plenty of these lying about from various rolls that would have came with your printer. So obviously you need your new refill. You'll need a blade or a knife of some sort and a snips. Firstly start by getting your spool and untwist it to come apart in two halves. You'll notice one half is taller than the other. Keep that in mind. Get your blade, cut open your bag. Inside in the bag, you're getting your silica gel and you're also getting a sticker for the reel. We use that in a bit. Pay attention to the actual inner of the roll. There should be a notch in the cardboard. You just see it there. And on the spool, you'll see a little tab here. These two must line up. So place one across the other. You see the little tab in there. Once it lines up in position, that's it. Get your other half. Line up like that until it clicks. Now twist it firmly until you hear a good click from it. Like that. That's it, locked in position. And you're pretty much ready to go. You can cut your plastic last. Lastly, put your sticker on so that you can identify what it is. Simple as that.